Hello, everyone. PHAROAH here. Welcome to my channel. Guys, I trust and believe you all are doing good. So, guys, I want to quickly take you through the Volatility 10 Index sale as to how it came about. So, from $1.24 to, it's still floating, as you can see, to where we are right now. So, guys, what I did was, I did not analyze this. To be honest with you, I did not analyze this on my MetaTrader 5 because it's a bit complicated for me. So what I do is I came here to tradingview.deriv.com. I'll leave a link under my description. And what I did was, so I come here where it's written out of 10. Then it will show me different markets. So this is within this market. So there's Forex, stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, derived. So you're gonna go under this section, derived, and then make sure you remove everything from the searching panel. So here there's different assets, right? As you can see, volatility index, 10 first index, step index, boom, crash, jump 75. So guys, I know maybe I may not be making sense to most of you, but guys, this is a market. So if you want to sign up, I'll leave a link below because I'm an IB partner for Derive. So you're gonna join through the link. I'll leave it under my description, guys. And then so V10, like I said, volatility index 10. Here we are. So what I do is, guys, to avoid confusion, I try and isolate, or I try and only focus on the parts that are relevant to the signal that I've entered and shared in my groups. So first things first, step number 1, direction. What is the direction? What is the trend? Where is the trend heading? That will be identified by what? Using this tool, which is called a trend line. So I've left everything out, and now I've put a trend line. I can see that it's the downside. Second, where did the downtrend start? It started here. This is where it started. Right about here. Okay, and then how did it start? So as you can see, we reversed with a double top, right? An M, okay, an M. So okay, that's the top number 1. And then the second one is, yeah. There you go. So we're going low now. So if you're going low, guys, what are the rules? If you're going low, we take our cells around the lower low, or around the areas where we see lower lows, right? So if you're going low, we broke out that part and then we retested it. Here's another lower low. Here's another channel rather. Sorry, I meant to say We first need to identify the channels, significant channels. There's another channel. It's not a channel if it doesn't have a resistance and a support. So if you can see, I'll be marking my supports with green. There you go. So a channel is supposed to have like two ends, right? So the resistance and the support. So I'll be marking my support with green. There you go. As you can see, coming down from the highest point, from the highest point to where we are right now, what I did was I saw that, okay, we are coming from a lower point, which is the highest point of the trend, and then we are going down, right? So I've now marked my channels. Where do I find my lower lows? These are my lower lows. Lower low number 1. So it was after we'd just broken this green channel on that level, coming from the highest point, broke, retest, and then now we going down. We have come into another channel with a resistance and a support, and then we broke that channel, and then as a result, there's another channel where we have established, or where the market established, lower lows. So there's more than one lower lows, as you can see, but the most important thing here is that it's a channel that I've identified, right? So my logic behind this downtrend was, okay, now that I've got to this lower low, as you can see here, you can see there's another double top, or there's another M that was formed. Whichever way you want to look at it, whichever way, when I looked at it from a perspective of the channel along the trend line, double top for my reversal along that channel, giving me lower lows. So what I then did was, within this channel, this new channel that I had established, what I did was, as you can see, I've marked here with my green to say it's my support, and then this one, my resistance. So since I'm on a downtrend, I will only be executing, or I'll only be looking at opportunities around these channels, these resistance. So I've identified my resistance. Now what I did was, with this one, was I took my sell here on this point. Let's go to MT5. I took my sell around this part here, guys. Let's, okay, here 30 minutes. Yeah, I hope this will make sense, guys. So as you can see here, this was my support, right? So what I did was, as soon as I saw that, okay, I've broken my support, as soon as I saw that I broke my support, I entered, because I saw that, okay, this was my support here. Yeah, this is my support. So now I can enter. I entered the sell. It's clean. I was waiting for that moment, but I would have entered my cells from up there, from here, but then I waited for the third opportunity to present itself. That's when I entered that sell right there. Okay, so guys, I've analyzed my asset volatility 10 index on my trading view. Now I came here, I executed my sells here. As you can see, it was just after we had broken the what? This channel here. That's when I was like, okay, I'm ready to do my what? I'm ready to sell. Okay. Another thing, guys, if you want, but this is advanced, I wouldn't advise for you guys to do it. You can also do this trend lines. But this is not the main trend lines. This is like, this will help you with the structure. But this is not for amateurs, guys. Trust me. If you join my mentorship, guys, you'll be well equipped. So, as you can see, guys, I hope I'm not confusing you guys, but like, this was the analysis, guys. This is how I looked at the market. I didn't even want to confuse myself. I just do it like nice and easy and smooth. Just a quick recap. What is the trend? Where you must always ask yourself where the trend started there. How did it start? There was a reversal pattern, right? So it's a structure that was established to establish or to bring about the new trend, right? It was, sorry, in this case, it was an M, as we may all know. Resistance, support. Okay, now we are going low with the trend line. So resistance, support, resistance, support. So you only execute your selling or your sells when you're around resistance. Or after you have broken your support and retested it at least 2 or 3 times. At least 3 times. But well, 2 or 3 times, you get to understand why I say 2 or 3 times once you join us. And then resistance, support. This is my resistance. Here, around this channel, we tested how many times? 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then now, before you can even know that, okay, I'm ready to sell now, you can do it in 2 ways. You can either wait to break the support, then just like how I did it, or you can take the sell from the time you've touched the resistance at least 3 times, right? And it's along the trend. So yeah, guys, I will leave my links here, and I'll also leave my numbers to those of you who are interested in joining the mentorship. Guys, come join us. Let's make money easy. I don't analyze the market like in a complicated way. I just do it easy, nice and simple, guys. So I'll leave all the relevant links in the description, under my description. Guys, look, this is I don't know. Guys, I'm not even worried about like how much I'm gonna make. That's why I deposited this $1. It's a real account. It's a real account, as you can all see. Guys, Let's make money. Let's make money. PHAROAH FX, guys. Cheers.